Hey guys, KaitGiggles here, and I am back with another video. So for this video, it's gonna be an unboxing one. And the thing I'm gonna be unboxing is my Boxy charm. It's my first ever Boxy charm. I am so excited right now. You can't understand. Well, you probably could if you also get Boxy charms. So yeah, I guess if you want to watch me unbox my Boxy charm, then just you know, keep on watching. Okay, so I haven't opened it yet. I haven't seen what's inside, but anyways, I am so excited to open this. I cannot wait. So I guess let's just open it. I don't know. Ooh. So let's see here. Comes with a little thing. Okay, it's the road trippin' Boxy charm. That's so cool. Okay, and then it tells you what everything is inside of it. Cool, cool. Comes definitely well packaged. They want to make sure nothing breaks, which is awesome. I guess I'm just gonna pick out and show. So this is, it looks like this, and it says it's from the brand Note, never heard of it before, and it's Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So it's blush, okay? It's nice, it's small, looks like this, it's very nice. And it just looks like that. Let's see here. I'm trying to get the true shade of this. About right there. Very nice. It's definitely a peachy pink. Peachy pink. It's definitely a peach kind of blush. Very nice. Comes with a mirror. Don't want to blind ya. But yeah, it comes with a nice little mirror. Looks nice. See, the blush that I have is more pink. It's not peach. So I'm definitely going to have to try this out. So the next thing, ooh, okay, so this is one of the things that I've seen. It's the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, and I've seen that this really works. That's exciting. I'm definitely gonna have to try this out, see if it works, see if it gets rid of my under eye bags. And this is really exciting. I want to see. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is $42. And the blush, okay, the blush isn't too bad. It's $11.99. So you're already getting your value for this. That's awesome. So the next thing that we have is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Comes in a little tube. So it's definitely different than normal mascaras that I've seen. So I wonder if, you know, there's a difference, if it works better. I'll definitely have to give this a go, which I'm so lucky. I just ran out of my mascara. Like, my eyelashes they aren't working because my mascara is like gross and I just threw it away. So I have a new mascara to try out, which is nice, perfect timing. And this is $24. Dang, that's nice. The next thing, okay, so this is the, Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. It's the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I don't really have many eyebrow things. And it is $26. It's just, let's see here. You can see that. And I'm so confused. Like, there's a brush on this side, which is nice looking. And then I'm gonna assume this is assuming there's like a cream or something in here. I don't know. I don't do my eyebrows. I don't know anything about eyebrows. So yeah, there's that. And then the last and final product that is in my Boxy charm. See, I love that they're so careful. Like, this is wrapped in bubble wrap. And I apologize if you can hear the rain. It just started to rain in Arizona. What the frick? I think it's raining. It sounds like rain anyways. I haven't looked. Maybe it's windy. I don't know. Ooh, so pretty. It's an eyeshadow palette, I think. So it's just by the brand Crown. Just plain, very professional looking packaging. Very nice, my kind of packaging. Come on. Ooh. And then it looks the same on the actual palette. Oh, mine's a little dirty, which is fine. Things happen in the mail. You can't always, you know. This is actually really pretty. There's 4 shimmer shades and then 6 matte shades, which is really good because I prefer matte, but obviously, you know, I still use shimmer. These look really pretty. It's really dirty. And these are the shades. I love it. Like, I could so use this and like play around with it, see what kind of eye looks I could come up with, because like that's what I've been doing recently, is just trying out new things with eyeshadows and just seeing what I can come up with, because like obviously I'm still getting used to doing different looks. Like, before I started this YouTube channel, I usually did looks that like I did the same look over and over and over and over and over again. So this will be nice. This is different. I'll definitely have to play around with it, probably tomorrow, since I don't work until 4:30, I think. And that palette costs, oh, not bad, $29.99. Not bad at all, actually. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. I think I'm gonna swatch a few, see how they swatch. We'll go for a shimmer. Let's go with this one. Ooh, very pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that one. So I just swatched this color right here, and I'm not good with, I don't ever do this. And I'll put in a picture or a video or whatever of what these look like. I'm gonna do the middle shade right here. Very nice. This feels very velvety, or at least the matte shades. So there's not much pigment on that one, but the shimmer ones are absolutely beautiful. Okay, so it's buildable. It's definitely buildable. The shimmer, oh my gosh. I'm gonna do in the shimmer, see if they're all the same. I'm gonna go for this lighter color. I am like obsessed. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay. So freaking beautiful. I'll definitely have to put in a clip. Okay, so the two on the left of my arm are the shimmer shades, and then the one on the far right is the matte shade. It took about 3 dips to get to that pigment, and I'll show you what colors. So the far left, I did, let me see here, I used this shade right there, And then the matte shade I used is this one. And then the middle shimmer shade, I used this one. They're all very, very gorgeous, very pigmented, at least the shimmers. And I'll play around with the mattes to see how I like them and if they are blendable and everything else. So yeah. But yeah. So that's all for the Boxy charm. I'm so excited to play around with these, see how I like them, or if I don't like them, we'll find out. So the next time you see me, it will probably be Friday. Hey guys, so it's been a week now since I opened my Boxy charm, and I've been testing out these products that I got in the Boxy charm that you have seen previously. And I just kind of wanted to sit down and talk to you about what I thought of them, how I like them, if they applied nicely, or whatnot. Okay, so I guess let's just start with this one, only because why not? So this is the eyebrow cream thing, whatever. And I don't do my eyebrows, if you can tell. So like, this isn't something that I would use until I figured it out. But I did test it out on my eyebrows to see if it was like the right color or whatnot. It is the right color for my eyebrows. But other than that, I don't really have much else to say about it. The second thing is the blush. Now, it's a pretty color in the pan. I like the color in the pan. On my cheeks, on the other hand, not my favorite color, and it doesn't blend very nicely, in my opinion. Maybe it's because I'm used to like a more pink blush that I'm just like not too thrilled with it. I don't know. It's just definitely not my favorite. I'll probably have to give this a couple more goes, see how I like it. But that's all I have to say about that one. And let's go with the eye depuffing gel. So I don't really have bags under my eyes, and I was gonna try this on my brother because he definitely does, but I forgot. But I do wear this under my eyes, kind of just to help anyways. And I think it works great. I'm gonna definitely try it on my brother though. I need to. It's my next goal. Now, for this mascara, I got one of the best compliments while wearing this mascara. And the best compliment I ever got while wearing this is that my eyelashes look like I'm wearing fake eyelashes. I wasn't. I was wearing just this mascara. Yeah, best compliment of my entire life. From a girl working at Bahama Bucks, thank you. Loved it. And for the last product, I am actually wearing it today. Obviously, I'm wearing the mascara as well. I put on the eye depuffing stuff before I put on my makeup. I'm not wearing the blush because I'm not a huge fan of it. And obviously I don't have my eyebrows done, so. But yes, the eyeshadow palette, I love this. I'm wearing it today. I'm wearing 3 colors, and I love it. I feel like there's so many different options I can do with this, so many different looks, but I kind of just revert back to what I know and do the same thing over and over and over again. But that's fine. I love this eyeshadow palette though. Like, these colors are so pretty, so pigmented. I said earlier that I didn't know if they were gonna be like easy to blend out or if they're gonna be pigmented or not. But I did have to pack on quite a bit to get the pigment to where I wanted it. But blending out is really easy. It's very nice. I love the shimmer. That's what I was looking for. That's the word I was looking for. I love the shimmer eyeshadows. They're very nice, very soft, very pigmented. At least I think so. I'm using this one on my eye for the shimmer. And I like it. It's not too bam in your face, but it's not like boring. So yeah, that's all I had really to say about that one. So for my final like all around review, was it worth the $21 that I spent on the Boxy Charm? Yes. So much yes. Because I got a couple products that I will use constantly, especially the mascara and the eyeshadow palette. I love these. The blush, again, not a huge fan. I'll give it a couple more goes, see how I like it. And maybe once I learn how to do my eyebrows, I'll start, you know, wearing that. Because it's definitely the right shade for me. I just need to learn how to do my eyebrows. So yeah, definitely worth the $21 that I spent. Like, these two items alone, like the eyeshadow palette and the mascara, was worth it. So yes, that's all I had for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below whatever you want, and hit that big red subscribe button if you want to make my day. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful night or morning whenever you guys are watching this, and I will see you guys next Saturday.